everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have back again. It's like today we are cooking ทอดมันกุ้ง shrimp cake. Are you ready? Let's go.
Let's get started.
Today we have shrimp
Bread flour, another special flour, tempura flour,
and
salt.
okay.
Have to prepare the shrimp first to
Yeah.
take all the shell out.
Yeah. My friend she do very easy, but for me I have to learn. You have to cut the back and check out
The back line of the shrimp. Shrimp look very fresh.
good, ma?
Really good quality. After we prepare the shrimp, now time for us to chop it up small pieces. So mince it up very small. Start chopping. Make it easy to chop. We keep repeat doing this until they're all gone.
We have a shrimp 1 kilo. When you chop, you think about your fate husband or some people you hate. You can
Have you done this dish before?
yes.
I never done this dish before. This is my first time. So boom, chicken.
I make อะไรนะ spring roll.
Spring roll.
Yes. And before I do with fish.
Oh, fish cake.
Yes.
Okay.
Fish. It's charcoal from home. Now we have to mix them with the.
So we add some salt,
We have to put
tempura flour.
4 spoon. 4 is enough, I think. Okay.
Okay.
After you mix everything, you have to mix everything like sticky.
I think we're nearly done. Look like she needs some hand,
I want you make like a ball,
like
a small ball.
Is it too big?
It's okay.
It's okay. And then
you,
put in
yeah,
here. So you squeeze it out in the middle of your hand. Come out like a bowl.
I have to put oil. Okay. When we do ball, I have to mix with bread flour. Okay. You can make like a donut.
So you can make it flat or you can make it round like a bowl.
Yes.
Okay.
Up to you. น้ำมัน Cut. Chúc. Okay. I have to fry right now. Wow! Excited.
Wow, looking good and smell nice.
Beautiful.
I think it's ready now.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Look at the sound of that when it's touching your plate.
Wait.
After,
Minnie want to eat now.
after we finish deep fry, we're gonna put in the place, make it look really nice and pretty.
Very
Wow,
nice.
look
Wow.
And then gonna finish it off with this. Finish it off with this. Tasting time. This is time we're waiting for.
Time for eating. Okay.
This one.
You know it's slim. It's beautiful. Oh.
Really crispy.
Yeah.
And
Crispy,
very
yeah?
soft inside. Yeah.
Wow.
This is really good.
Crispy.
It's really crispy.
Wow. It's delicious and easy to do.
You can have with this dip or any sweet chili sauce.
So good. Okay, thank you my friend to come to join my channel today, and I'm really happy because she is the best friend.
Thank you for inviting me and having me here. I'm very happy and so good with the food you're making me.
Yes. Thank you everyone to watching my channel, and I hope you like and support me. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Don't
See
forget
you.
to like and share.
Yes.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ See you next video. Bye bye.
Bye.
That was nice.
เราต้องเฮ็ด
I told you she gets excited when she's like.
I'm not gonna do that. No.
Both of you dance now. Okay.
โอ้
It's easy.
เออ
On the other way.
Này,
Turn
này.
around.
อ๋อ
That's it.
Aha, learning every day.
Yes, good idea. It's a good idea.
See? It's really fresh. Just like you just caught it from the.
I saw you in the background. You're still.
When you shop, you think about husband or some people you hate. You can it's very good idea because make your power to do.
Make it quicker.
Yeah, every time I think with my husband, you know.
It's not the first time she says that on the video.
Not Spider-Man, far from home. Charcoal, far from home.
I think she's been thinking about her husband's face right now. She just wants to smash him in the face, I think.
I don't want to say anything. You see how I'm treated? My goodness.
You didn't react to that either.
I'm in Johnny Depp's side right now. I know what it feels. My wife is treating me like Johnny Depp's wife.
Sound very creepy. I think it's gonna be very creepy and very soft inside.
Creepy or crispy?
Crispy.
We're gonna have the same problem here. Okay, say
Oh my
again.
god.
Crispy.
Ah.
Did it sound right?